Welcome to this learning video on street light installation and maintenance by Power Sector Skill Council, produced in collaboration with SEMCA. This video is aligned to the job role of Assistant Technician, Street Light Installation and Maintenance QP Code PSS/Q6003, NOS Code PSS/N6007 and PSS/N6008. We are now going to learn the step-by-step procedure for primary inspection for maintenance of street lighting system. In this video, we will see what kind of inspection and maintenance we will do for street light. First, we will know why we need to inspect the site before maintenance. 1. Through inspection, we can evaluate the condition of equipment, machine, parts of street light, electrical system, etc. 2. The purpose of inspection before maintenance is to determine the tools, materials, and labor that will be needed to keep them in good working condition. 3. The maintenance inspection is the process of evaluating the condition of equipment or machines. 4. It helps us to identify the area which are in high risk, moderate risk, and low risk. Accordingly, we can make smooth maintenance plan. 5. Maintenance inspection helps to identify minor issues before they turn into costly repairs. Inspections ensure that machines are working correctly. They help prevent equipment downtime. Introduction to maintenance. Maintenance is a set of organized activities that are carried out in order to keep an item in its best operational condition with minimum cost. Or maintenance is a procedure of finding faults in any equipment or machine. It also includes rectification of the faults. We need maintenance in every industries. For example, service industry like hospitals, transport, manufacturing companies like refineries and petrochemicals, and electrical industry like generation, transmission and distribution. Now we will learn about inspection for maintenance. Most industries have different types of maintenance inspections. There are mainly 8 types of maintenance inspections. They are 1. Safety inspections. 2. Fault finding inspection. 3. Lightening inspections. 4. Electrical inspections. 5. HVAC inspections. 6. Building interior inspections. 7. Plumbing inspections. 8. Earthing inspections. Maintenance inspections should also include inspection of all parts of the system. They must ensure that there is no damage or leak in the system or around fittings. Technicians should check and change or clean parts as needed. The main objectives of the maintenance are to increase functional reliability of production facilities, to maximize the useful life of the equipment, to maximize production capacity from the given equipment, to minimize the total production cost, to minimize the frequency of interruption in production, and to enhance the safety of the manpower. The importance of maintenance. It helps in identifying the cause of failure. For example, checking whether the failure is due to design defect or wear and tear failure. It also helps in deciding the type of maintenance and maintenance decisions to be taken, like replace and repair. It provides the necessary information regarding the life and reliability of the equipment. Maintenance helps in spare parts management. Let us now discuss the step-by-step procedure for inspection and maintenance of various parts of street lights. 1. Primary inspection for maintenance checking of typical high-risk factors area. Corrosive environments. Areas susceptible to flooding. Devices that may be nearing end of life. Areas with high vermin incidence and areas with high pedestrian or traffic activity. 2. Primary inspection for maintenance checking of joints. The term cable jointing covers a myriad of processes. These are broken down into the following elements: survey jointing, LV mains jointing, link box installation, etc. 3. Primary inspection for maintenance checking of junction box. Inspection must include the following: ingress of water and vermin, deterioration of weatherproof seals and other components, damage by rodents, detection of poor connections and joints, correct earthing, protection against direct and indirect contact with LV, terminal and surfaces, correct operation of components, correct internal labeling of components. For repairing and maintenance of junction box, we have to take following steps. First, turn off electrical power. Then we will straighten wires. Then remove wire connectors inside the box. Insert a new replacement parts in the junction box. Check the continuity and working condition and switch on the supply. 4. Primary inspection for maintenance checking of on or off switch. If you are using a multimeter, then first ensure that power supply is in off condition. Then select continuity mode in multimeter. Then touch each tester probe to the screw terminals and then turn the switch on and off. When the switch is on, the tester value should come close to 0. When the switch is off, it should come infinity, indicating continuity or no open circuit. 5. Primary inspection for maintenance checking of location of conduit cables. Faults in cables can arise due to any defect, inconsistency, weakness, or non-homogeneity that affects the performance of the cable. Following are the inspection, joints, connections, and terminations for corrosion. Poor, loose, overheated, or unsecured connections. Evidence of moisture ingress to cables and or connections. Damaged insulation. Exposed conductors. General condition of cable. Evidence of rodent, vermin activity. Typically, faults are classified as low impedance, short circuit, ground fault, short circuit to ground, cable breaks, intermittent faults, sheath faults. Cable identification. Once a cable fault has been pinpointed and uncovered, subsequent repair work has to be conducted in order to place the cable back into service. If a violent cable fault has occurred and is visible, then it is fairly easy to distinguish which cable needs to be repaired. However, in other circumstances, especially when multiple cables are bundled together, the correct cable has to be identified first to reduce the chances of cutting a section of healthy cable that does not require any repair. 6. Pole inspection and maintenance. Visually inspect a pole shaft for areas of rust, corrosion, and any dent or sign for that the structural integrity has been compromised. Visually inspect bracket, arm, luminaires, and welds to ensure there is no fatigue. Hole, base, and nut covers. Ensure covers are securely attached. Inspect for sign of vibration, which include 1. Noise or humming in the pole. 2. Visual movement of the luminaire and or pole. 3. Loosening of attachments. 4. Rust just above the weld at the base of the pole. 7. Inspection and maintenance of luminaires. The luminaire is kept clean and free of moisture, mud, dust, and debris. The luminaire ingress protection IP rating is maintained. The seal gasket is kept intact and free of damage. The luminaire electronic equipment operational. The luminaire mounting height, tilt angle, and orientation are preserved at all times. So, regular maintenance of equipment is an important and necessary activity. The term maintenance covers many activities including inspection, testing, measurement, replacement, and adjustment, and it is carried out in all sectors and workplaces. It has a vital role to play in reducing the risk associated with workplace hazards and providing safer and healthier working conditions.